Raindrops, warm hot chocolate, cozying next to the fireplace. It's my favorite season. What makes it more magical are the sparkling lights on a Christmas tree. Let's make sure to give this season what it deserves. I started my Christmas shopping early this year. The shops were filled with beautiful ornaments. I already had an idea what to get in order to decorate my boho Christmas tree. But it's beginning to cost a lot like Christmas. So I got 6 glass ornaments, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, wood beads, and jute ropes. Let the magic begin. A tip to make these special ornaments: just put some Christmas music and enjoy. Get creative, play around, make garlands. There's no rule for beautiful ones, once we are working with natural matching material. I only made sure to make unique pieces while mixing and matching oranges, cinnamon sticks, and wood beads. Do I love building the tree? Well, it's not the most enjoyable part, but I always make sure to fluff the branches to give some depth to my tree. For this step, I plugged the lights so I could easily distribute them equally. Took the other end and zigzagged all the way down. I love spraying the tree. It adds this wintry charm. After putting my Christmas tree in a can basket, and since it's a cute small tree, I added a bigger basket with a smaller natural fir. Then styled it with a beige fur mat and a green throw. Here comes my favorite part. I managed to create vignettes using the glass ornaments, since I only have 6, so grouping them in a balanced way was the key. I decided to get out of the box with the Christmas nativity scene. Using my Tombow black pen, I drew it and framed it. For the star, I used 5 metallic wires, bended and grouped them. Then started to fill them with wood beads. To secure them, I added glue to the last bead. My tree needed this warm feel. What's better than cotton flowers? They just blended in with the whole boho vibe. Et voila, my 2020 boho Christmas tree. I love every detail about it. Thank you for watching.